the smallest things, the way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things, the way we notice, that's what.
Again.
I'll repeat the song.
On and on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestia.
Alright, fans. This might be the last dinosaur I'll be drawing for 2023. Tonight we're going to draw Sinoceratops. One of the first new dinosaurs that I got to meet on Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. Yeah.
You see, tonight it could go either way.
I'm actually intrigued that this is the first dinosaur I've actually gotten to meet on the Jurassic World series. Yeah, well, this is the first time meeting this dino. I have no idea where this is. How is it even possible? Alexa, what is Sinoceratops?
Sinoceratops is an extinct genus of ceratopsian dinosaur that lived approximately 73 million years ago during the latter part of the Cretaceous period in what is now Shandong province in China. It was named in 2010 by Xu Xing et al. For 3 skulls from Zhucheng, China. The name of its type species Sinoceratops lufengensis means Chinese horned face from Zhucheng, after the location of its discovery.
2010? That was 10 years ago. Amazing.
See the light shining through the rain.
I didn't even think they'd find something like that.
Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back round? Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestia. We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things, the way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on.
Kind of a thrill to find out that Sinoceratops was found recently. I didn't even find it in the books. Get it? Thrill? That sounds like thrill and thrill are the same thing. They rhyme. What rhymes with awesomeness? No idea. There we are. That is how you draw a Sinoceratops from. Well, basically, it's my first time drawing Sinoceratops. Well, I have one more thing to add. Every dinosaur I draw, I put in a background to make it more awesome. It's not just a thumbnail, you guys. It's actually more of a awesome dinosaur.